Howdy Aussie aliens and welcome, I am Paul Yateman, I draw stuff. For my final hashtag Tim Burton challenge day for May 2021, I drew a couple of fishy aliens from my archive of characters. I wanted to see what they might look like if they were thought up by Tim Burton, so they've been drawn in a Burton-esque style. Here you can see the original sketch. I started out in blue pencil before moving to fineliner, Copic markers and finally some white gel pen. The feature animal today was the little one with the plant frond-like fins. I also gave the fish a beak rather than a toothy grin. Before moving to the marker stage, I scanned my image into my computer. Having already drawn a version of these creatures, the initial sketch in blue pencil was nice and fast. After adding a thin fineliner, like what you may have seen in previous videos, I added an extra line weight for shadows and to differentiate between the foreground, middle and distance. As the small fish today is closer to the sea monster than the original sketch, perhaps it is about to be eaten, I have shown it looking at the larger creature. When colouring the maw of the sea beast, I added jagged edges to the triangular teeth to lend a shark-like aspect. When it came to applying marker, I worked on the small fish, adding greys and greens before moving to the larger fishy fish. The idea with the greens is that the fish would rest on rocks or the ocean floor and look like a plant, or perhaps it might hide among plants, or to protect itself from carnivores like the big chompy one here. I made the larger animal orange and worked more on shading than anything else to try and give it a rounded bulk. I think that worked out okay. Here's the image at the finished line art stage. Next up, here's the image after colouring in. I decided to play in Photoshop, which leads to the next couple of versions. So, what do you think? Have a go at your own Burton-esque designs and tag me in the comments or on social media. Next month, I think I'm doing a hashtag dragon challenge. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in your own sketchbook, journal, etc., subscribe, like, and of course share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing!